In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tab size rendering preference in GitHub. If you've ever opened code on GitHub and thought the indentation looked too wide or too narrow, this setting is for you. GitHub lets you control how many spaces a tab character is rendered as when you view files and diffs. It doesn't change the repository's actual code. It only affects how tabs appear to you in the browser, which can make reading and reviewing code much more comfortable. Start on your GitHub dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Settings. On the Settings page, find and click Appearance. This is where GitHub groups visual preferences for the site, including themes and, importantly for us, the tab size rendering preference. On the Appearance page, locate Tab Size Preference. This control lets you choose how many spaces a single tab character should display as when viewing code on GitHub. Click the option labeled 1 to see the smallest possible indentation. This is a good baseline to understand how compact things can look. If you want to compare, click 1 again to confirm you've seen that baseline, then try the next sizes. Click 2 to see a slightly wider indent. If that still feels tight, click 1 once more to reset your eyes. Then try 3 for a more spacious look. You can always click back to 1 to compare. For larger indents, click 5 to see a very wide spacing, then 1, again if you want to recheck the smallest setting. Finally, click 4 to test a common middle ground that many teams prefer. As you switch between these sizes, focus on how nested blocks of code line up and how easily your eyes track structure. GitHub shows the effect immediately, and your selection is saved automatically. There's no extra save button to press. Remember, this only changes how tabs render for you on GitHub. It won't alter files in the repository, your editor settings, or your teammates' views. A quick tip: different ecosystems often favor different widths. Many JavaScript and front-end projects read nicely at 2, while Python and some back-end code can feel more natural at 4. If a repository uses spaces instead of tabs, this setting won't have a visible effect because spaces are fixed. After choosing the size that feels right, open any file or pull request to confirm the readability matches your preference.